Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is rural livelihood. So let's talk about it. In most rural area of the world, approximately 90% of the population is involved in the farming as a way of earning a living. Small scale farming, fishing, raising livestock and non-farming activity are some of the common livelihood that these population survive on. People in rural area earn their living in various ways. Some work on farms while others earn their living on non-farming activity. Working on farms involve operations such as preparing land, sowing, weeding and harvesting crops. We depend on the nature for the growth these crops. Hence life revolves around certain seasons. People are busy during sowing and harvesting, less so at other time. Rural people in different region of the country grow different crops. However, we do find similarities in their life situation and in the problem that they are faced. How people are able to survive or earn will depend upon the land and their cultivate. Many depend on these land for as laborer. Most farmers grow crops both of their own requirement and also sell in the market. Some have to sell to traders from whom they have borrow money. For their survival, many families need to borrow money for their work or when no work is available. Labors in rural. Near two-fifths of all rural families are laborers in our country. There are some who have small plots while others have landless. They are not being able to earn money throughout the year force people in many rural areas to travel, leaving distance in the search of work. This travel or migration takes place during the particular seasons harvesting our field. We also have a hybrid cow whose milk we sell in the local milk corporation. This way we get a little extra money for our everyday needs. The crops can also be renewed if the monsoon does not bring enough rain. When this happens, farmers sometimes are unable to pay back and their loans, and for the family to survive they may even have to borrow more money. Soon the loan becomes so larger and no matter what they are earned and they are unable to repay. Central India farming. Central India, both farming and collection from the forest are important source of livelihood. Collecting mahua, tendu leaves, honey to be sold to traders is the important source of additional income. Similarly, selling milk to the village cooperative society or taking milk to nearby town may be main source of the livelihood for the some families. In the coastal area, we find fishing village. Let's know about the lives of the fishing family. People depends their lives by fishing and their house are close to the sea. So let's talk about the facts about the rural livelihood. Number 1. National Rural Livelihood Mission is a poverty alleviation project implemented by the Ministry of Rural Development Government of India. This plan is focused on the promoting self-independent and employment and organization of rural poor. Number 2. Agricultural laborers are those people in the rural area who works as labor in fields and get daily wages. Number 3. The objective of the livelihood programs is to be reduce poverty and inequality by generating employment among the poor households. Number 4. In short, we can say that Urban people get their livelihood from non-agriculture occupations. Only a few engage themselves in the agriculture. So kids, except agriculture, rural area people, how they earn money beside all these things? Please write in our comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the livelihood of rural area. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.